You might have heard some people saying, we got a passive income, we got a family business, or we got a secondary business. Well, that's not the case for most of us. We don't have a secondary source of income. Other sources of income could be a passive source of income, or you go for a full thrust startup, or you are having investments. So without wasting any further time, let's throttle with full thrust. Assalamu alaikum, this is Arfan Aftab and you are watching MAM. So, passive income, what can be done? How much time to spend? Can it be done from home? Do you need to spend some money initially? Well, you don't need to spend money initially unless you want to add some spice. So without dragging any further, let's get to the point. YouTube. Yes, you heard me right. You can earn money from YouTube. What is YouTube? YouTube is an online video sharing platform. It has three important pillars: creator, viewer, advertisers. As in this case, you are watching this video, so you are a viewer. Since you are watching my content, so I am the creator of this content. And any advertisement which comes on this platform, that's from the advertiser. And all three of us are on a platform, YouTube, which is a video sharing platform. It must be coming to your mind, how much the YouTube pays to the creator. What's YouTube benefit? Well, the answer is very simple. YouTube gives 45% of the advertisement and the rest 55% it gives to the creators. Are there any other requirements YouTube want creators to fulfill? Yes, there are. The basic requirement is 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch time hours needs to be completed before applying for YouTube partner program. You might be thinking by now, on what will I create the video? Will anybody be watching my video? Do I need to have some expensive camera, a special mic, some lights, RGB specially? Do I need to have some studio, a proper office? Well, the good news is you don't need any of that initially. You might be feeling demotivated. I can't do all that. I don't want to spend that much money initially. Remember, I told you in the beginning, you don't need to spend money initially unless you want to. Let me elaborate it furthermore. As if in this case, you are watching my video. So definitely you're watching it on some sort of equipment. It can be your mobile or a laptop, a pad or a desktop PC. Well, most of us are watching it on mobile. So if you are having a mobile or a pad or any of other equipment, you will most probably be having an inbuilt camera and a microphone. So that's your setup. Plus you are watching this video, that means you definitely have an internet. So you are all set. On what subject can you create a video? Listen to the answer very carefully. Create video on what you are good at. Remember, viewers are your audience. As a creator, it is your job to engage your audience. And you can only engage your audience by providing value in the content you are making. It must be coming to your mind by now. By adding value, what do I mean? Well, the answer is quite simple. Share your skill, your knowledge, your passion, your creativity with your viewers on YouTube. You can share your knowledge at any niche you are good at. I'll give you a couple of examples. What do I mean by niche? Let's say, for example, you are a car technician. For example, how to change the radiator for a specific car type and model. You can share the knowledge, how much time is required, what tools are required, how much will it cost, safety procedures, etc. There is no limit on the niche. You can have an experience in a hotel industry. You can be from aviation industry. Maybe you are a plumber, you are a painter. Maybe you are a beautician. Maybe you're a programmer. You can be from any niche. It doesn't matter. Well, some of you might be thinking by now, well, I don't have any of these skills. Maybe you are teaching somewhere and you are having a time limitation, 30 minutes or 45 minutes per subject or per class. so you can upload your videos, so you can define in more details about your subject on your YouTube videos. And any of your student, they did not come to class or they're sick due to any reason they cannot attend the class, they can always refer back to your videos, and how many times they want to watch, they can watch. Well, some of you might be thinking, I don't have any skills. I will say that's entirely wrong. Each and every human being is creative. All what we need to do is find our creativity, skills, and knowledge what resides deep inside us to get the true potential of it. Maybe you like to visit new places, maybe you like to try different type of foods at different restaurants. You can make vlogs, of course after taking permission. Maybe you are good at doing a product review. Maybe you can share your experience of any products which you purchased recently. So actually you are sharing information with your viewers which can help them making a good decision before purchasing or before going for a vacation, before trying a new restaurant. Well, there are a couple of things which you definitely need to avoid doing as a creator, because that will impact your audience retention on your videos. For example, you are teaching how to make a pizza. Do not overdrag the topic to increase the length of the video. Just for your knowledge, if any video is more than 8 minutes, you get more advertisement on that. You can have some mid-roll advertisements on that. Definitely, I will tell in more details about that in the next upcoming videos. If your topic is just for 2 to 3 minutes, just give the valuable information. Do not overdrag the topic. Viewers will not get value out of your content. So they might switch over to some other creator. That will negatively impact your channel in long run. Your limit is your imagination and your creativity. So this was an overall basic intro for a simple passive income source, which is YouTube. From the next video onwards, I'll be diving into technical details which as a YouTube creator before starting the channel you should definitely know. Maybe some of you know about this information already, but most of us, I'm sure, definitely does not know about it. So keep a pen and copy to note them to avoid mixing terminologies. Stay fantastic, bombastic. Signing off, Arfan Aftab. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.